Now I'm going to start with this F7 chord, strings 3, 4, and 5. The fingering is really important here. Ring finger for the root, middle finger for the third, and pinky for the flat 7. Now I have my first finger free to double the root and also to bring that finger to the 4th string so I can hammer from the flat 3 to the major third. So I'm going to have this sound. Now next thing I'm going to do is replace the third for the sus4. So I'm going to bring the 7th fret of the D string half step up to that 8th fret. So I'm replacing that major third for the sus4. Then I'm going to go to this F7 chord, and then here's a reminder of how to create 7 chords using triads. Now F7 is the 5 chord in the key of B flat, right? So what I'm going to do is skip a chord inside that key. So if I'm in F7, I'm going to first play F major, right? I'm going to skip a chord that is going to be G minor, and I'm going to go to A diminished with the bass on F, F7. Now I'm going to play my A diminished here. Look, A minor, strings 2, 3, and 4, first inversion. I bring the 5th half step down, A diminished. I put my bass on F, the 5 chord, F7. So again, the 7 chord diminished with the bass on the 5 chord is going to give you that 5 chord dominant. Now for this group, the only thing I did was play F7 and then bring my pinky half step up and replace that third again for the sus4. And then I'm going back to F7. If I put all that together, at the end I have this.